Imagine being able to build anything just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform made for anyone with an idea and a drive to bring it to life. Describe what you want and watch it take shape. You can plan, customize, and expand in any direction. From tools built for one to platforms ready for many. From passion projects to enterprise-grade systems. Everything is built in and ready to launch. It's a new world of creation where you can go as far as your imagination takes you. Can you imagine it? Let's make your dream a reality.
Move on. Your game scene will probably also need a webcam, maybe some support bars for your latest follower or latest subscriber, and potentially you'll also want your chat on screen. First, let's start with the webcam. Let's click the plus again and click video capture device. We'll then select our webcam and then resize it down by clicking the corner and dragging it down. Now, the source list isn't a random order, it's actually layers. Imagine the bottom layer is behind everything else. So if I drag my webcam below my game capture, it is hidden. If you can't see a source, it's worth considering whether or not it's placed in the right section of your list. Now, I want to add my support bars that the name of my latest follower will appear in. So I will click the plus and I can either click image if my support bar graphic isn't animated, or I can click media source if it is an animation or a video file. All of the graphics I use in today's video are available for free for download from the Discord server linked in the description. I think we have about 3 to 4 dozen fully animated overlays in there now, just for free, so you can have those if you want. My support bars are animated, so I click media source. I'll find my animated bars file on my computer and I will add them in here. Since they are animated, I also need to make sure I double click my support bar layer so the settings open, and then I'll click loop, or else it will stop playing after the animation finishes. Any animation you want to keep playing forever needs loop turned on. This process is also how you can import a frame for your webcam or really any other graphic. But first, we want to add our follower name to our support bars. The issue is OBS doesn't come with label widgets built in, making it a little bit tricky. Instead, you'll have to use Stream Elements to add these. Don't worry, it's actually really simple once you do it once. So you'll head to streamelements.com, you'll log in and connect your Twitch or YouTube account if you're streaming there, click Streaming Tools on the left at your dashboard and click New Overlay. Set your overlay's resolution to the same size as your OBS. If you don't know what that is, you can check this in the settings, video, and it's the base canvas. So for us, it's 1080p. You're gonna click the plus and click Add Static/Custom. Click Video, and then in the top right, click Change Video. Upload, and you'll upload your support bar file from your computer. The reason we are adding this support bar graphic again, but now on Stream Elements, is because it will be far easier for us to add the label to fit the bar if we do it all in one place, rather than adding a label to Elements and then trying to make it fit in OBS. Click the plus sign again, click Labels, Follower, Latest Follower, and you'll see it's been dropped in here. But then if you click it, you'll be able to edit what it says up here in the top left. You can change the font, you can change the size of the font, you name it, you can do it here. Our overlays actually come with custom fonts that match the design. So for example, this is the paint splatter pack. So I'll set this to blow brush so it looks a bit like it's someone spray painting, and instead click on the overlay in your list. Don't worry, everything I've done so far hasn't deleted all your work. Okay, let's give you a quick tour of OBS, and yes, don't worry, I'll deep dive into everything, but first you need to know your way around. In the middle, you have your display window. This is what you'd be broadcasting to Twitch if you were live right now.
And you grab your what it comes up here, Design Hub resources to help anyone create incredible templates and overlays and stuff, and then you can check out all the different articles they have on templates, thumbnails, watermarks, lots of good stuff, very interesting stuff and very useful stuff that will help you. But we're more interested in YouTube, so if you just select the YouTube button along the top there and then go to search, and then we need to search overlays. Sorry for the typing. And then once you type that in, it should bring up a page that will look like this, and then you just sort of scroll down and there's lots of different options there. You can go up and down and sort of look around what you're after. And the one we are interested in today is the 100% free webcam overlays. So all these different types you can choose from, and we're just going to be sort of quick here. And then once you have selected your desired overlay, to this next page then. So simply to check out. Then address anything that it requires. Just simply email and simply open up your email, and then it will bring you to this page. And where mine is, I'm hoping that you will know where yours is too. Go back to your desktop is to right click on the file itself, within my overlay. So what we want to do is right click on your reference. I'm going to put that within my overlay. So what we want to do is there, just to show you as a reference, I'm going to put that within my overlay. As simple as that. So now you need to go straight over to OBS, open your OBS, and then I have set up a little image there just to show you as a reference. I'm going to put that within my overlay. So what we want to do is right click on your sources, and you want to go up to add, and then simply add image. Now you can create a new image and you can name it whatever you need. Overlay is simple enough. Now, image file, you must browse. Now I'm assuming you'll know where this file is. Simply retrieve the file from your saved location. Select the wide angle or the smaller angle that you require, and then simply pick your desired color. I think we're going to go green, and then it'll come up on your screen. Now you're going to need to crop this, and there's a simple way to crop anything. You can select it and simply drag back and forth to your desired height and width. So your next step now is just to get each source to fit in each other. So I have the image there. That will be your face cam, hypothetically. And then simply you sort of pick where you want your overlay to be. You got to crop it to the right size, and then you got to also crop your face cam to fit within the borders of the overlay, which is a bit tricky. It can get quite annoying. But if you need to crop it, you can simply drag each corner, or you hold your left alt button on the corner and drag it. It will crop also. And then once you have it set up nice and tidy and you're happy with it, and you're ready to rock and roll. Now, as you see, you have two empty boxes. Well, there's 3 spaces at the bottom of the border you can add stuff in. To add text, simply right click on your source again and select add, and move right down to text. And then simply create a new text line. You could just add it to the name, what you're going to put into it, which is mine is BlindMan13, which is my gamer tag. You select your font.